Gala New Music Node. Huge opportunity. Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head toward the video. Would you want to listen to your favorite music and earn from it? What about composing music and launching it on the blockchain to earn money? Well, by now, you might have already guessed that we are talking about a model you would have never heard before, the listen to earn. Gala has launched this new music nodes that take music fans and artists on a blockchain. Being used for transitions and then for games, now blockchain would be used to create an entire network of music composers and fans. This is what has taken the internet lately, and everyone seems to take interest in this exceptionally new concept by Gala. But what is Gala Music Node in the first place, and how could you use it? Whether the earning by just listening is true or not, we know you have questions about it already. Therefore, we are going to talk about Gala New Music Node, which can be a huge opportunity for you. Watch the video to the very end to know how you can earn money from Gala Music Nodes. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to know about more crypto opportunities. Let's get started with what is Gala Music Node. Gala Music Node is simply your personal collection of music and songs that can be accessed by anyone in the world. In return for creating your own collection and letting everyone enjoy it, you are paid. Gala has been always trying to bring innovative ways to use the blockchain like no one ever did. And this time, they brought the idea of creating a whole network of music on the blockchain that will be decentralized. If you are an artist, a singer, or a music composer, you can have your own music node and upload your music on it. Or you can connect your music NFTs to your music node that can be played by everyone. The superfans will search for the music they want to listen to. If they listen to your collection, bingo, you will be paid. Since they are listening to music not available on any other medium, you will be rewarded with money. Therefore, in simple words, you create a collection of music that is present on the blockchain. If anyone will listen to it, you will get Gala coins in return that can be exchanged for money. But it does not end here. If you are a music lover who loves to listen to new songs every time, you can earn money by doing so. You just need to search or browse for the music and listen to it, and that's it. You will get Gala coins that can be exchanged for money later on. Isn't it something you would enjoy and get paid at the same time? But what Gala Music Node can do for you? In essence, Gala Music Nodes have been created to boost up the old music model. In this way, by using the blockchain, Gala brings music lovers and creators near like never before. Before Gala Music Nodes concept, singers and music composers were not paid enough for creating their own network. But Gala Music Network has completely changed this concept and has allowed the creators and listeners to earn money. You can use Gala Music Node and earn money in two ways. First, you can be a creator. If you are a creator who composes music and sings songs, you can upload them all on your music node. Your music can be converted into NFTs that can be accessed by everyone, and in return, you will be instantly paid. The second way is to be a listener of the music and earn. Since the music node is still in growth, Gala wants to have as many users as possible. Due to this reason, music lovers get a sensational opportunity to listen to the limited edition music and get paid for that. You will be having two benefits. One, you will be listening to the music only available to a few, and second, you will be paid to listen to that music. Why not turn your volume up and make some money? But how can you be a creator and earn money? For being a creator, you need to buy a license for the node. Once you have a node, you can use it as a place where your every music piece and song will be uploaded. Since you are a creator and you will be making money, Gala sells you the node to start the process. Therefore, buying a music node is the first step you should do. Next, you need to set up music node software that will take just minutes. And then, finally, you need to upload your music or music NFTs on your node and get things started. The moment you upload music on your node is the moment music is made available to everyone in the world. Anyone using Gala Music can listen to your music and bring money to you in return, which is an amazing opportunity. But what if you want to listen and earn? If you want to just be a listener to earn money, you can do so just by searching for the music without buying anything. You don't need to buy any nodes or have music NFTs for that at all. Just browse and listen to any music you want. Something you should take care of is the platform must detect that you are actually listening to the music, not just playing and leaving it. It will do so by checking your presence on the node. Perhaps your activity on the node will be detected to give you Gala coins for listening to the music. But wait, how is Gala Music Node a huge opportunity? What if you could buy 1,000 Bitcoins for just $100? Buying Gala Music Node is exactly the same. Or, what about being among the only content creators on YouTube when it was launched? If you had done so, you would have been earning millions of dollars. The same is the case with Gala Music Node. Joining it today means a profit so big in the future that you wonder about buying them more. This is how important it is to be a part of Gala Music Node. Gala is literally transforming music and how it reached the listener around the world. In one way or the other, listeners were dependent on authorities regulating music sites. However, with Gala Music Node, there is no middleman, since it's on the blockchain, and for that reason, it is decentralized. If you join Gala Music Node as a creator by buying a music node, you will be among the few pioneering this new concept. And once Gala Music Node gets enough fame and increases its market valuation, it will be dominating the music industry. In only 2020, music made a whopping revenue of $23.1 billion. What it really means is Gala Music Node has the potential to have a lion cut from this revenue. If it just pockets 50% of the revenue every year for only 5 years, it will make $57.75 billion, meaning its users, especially the creators and node holders, will be the ones generating revenue that no one can imagine. Understanding how crucial and enormously profitable this project is the key. This project is still in growth, which means it's the best time for you to buy Gala Music Nodes and have them as an asset. Meanwhile, you will be earning money from them by letting listeners listen to the music in them. And in the long run, you will have an asset so valuable that no one could imagine. In conclusion, Gala Music Node lets both the music composers and music lovers earn money. Gala has pumped blockchain technology and decentralization into the music world, which means it is ready to mark its domination really soon. Not to miss out on this huge opportunity to grow with such a gigantic network, you must join Gala Music Node before it's too late. As a creator, you can sell your music NFTs and let people listen to your music. By doing so, you will earn money and rewards. Don't want to have Node? Well, you can just listen to the music and earn money anyway. Did you know that now, earning from just listening to your favorite playlist can be possible? Isn't it something you could do the whole day and earn limitlessly? Don't be shy to comment right below. How much are you thinking to earn per day by listening to the music? Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it to never miss more videos about the crypto world. Until the next video, stay tuned.